So if you work in people and culture, learning and development, or HR, then one of the things you're probably always thinking about with your team is communication, right? It's one of the biggest challenges anyone has anywhere in their life today, let alone at work. And so your job is obviously helping to facilitate that open and transparent communication across all channels within your team, across your entire organization. And it is a tremendous challenge, one that we deal with on a daily basis.
And surprisingly, a lot of people don't know they're not great listeners.
Sorry, what?
Yeah, that's what comes up a lot in the workshops. Is people say to us, "I didn't realise I didn't really listen or pay attention, or I wasn't an active listener." Most people have a habit of listening to respond, rather than taking it all in and understanding and giving someone space to have their say, which I think is a massive takeaway. Even if you walk away with being a better listener. And creating space for someone else, and that includes introverts and extroverts. Everyone has a shared space. They can connect and be heard.
Yeah,
and who doesn't want to be heard, right?
Yeah, obviously everyone. Yeah, I think it's really important, the listening bit, because I always say that we're all taught how to read, we're all taught how to write, we're all taught how to speak, but no one really teaches you how to listen. Your mom may have grabbed you by the ear and said, "Listen up." Yeah, but that's not really a skill that you learn, right? And so through the work that we do at PowerProv, we really help transform people into active listeners, understanding what it means to not only listen to understand, rather than just listening to respond, but also to listen to what's not being said, right? The nonverbal communication. Something like 86% of conversation is nonverbal.
That's right.
Right? And if you're in a hybrid work environment where 90% of what you're seeing of someone is this, right?
We're missing a lot.
You're losing a lot.
Yeah.
So the words and how you use them become even more important. And so training with PowerProv really will help you and your whole team walk out of the room with just a whole entire new toolbox of language and communication skills that you can use to support each other, but also to hold each other accountable right down the track, so that what you learn continues to work for you beyond the end of the workshop.
Yeah.